Look at this happy homeowner, sitting comfortably in his own home on a Sunday afternoon, all because he took advantage of Tonna Mechanical's new financing options and got himself a furnace for less than $100 a month. You see, 3 weeks ago, his life looked radically different. He was in a load of debt, and his wife was ready to leave him because she was just freezing in her own home. Then took a turn after he spent that money on the new Winnebago without consulting her. On the run from the law, he headed out west and continued to squander his money and gambling and booze. Got in a bar fight in a small town outside of Reno, Nevada. And it was there, after roughing up a guy, and he could only see out of one of his eyes, he looked as his vision cleared, and he thought he recognized the man. It was his own father. He hadn't seen him since he was 12 years old. Just walked out one day, didn't know why. He said, "Son, I haven't been warm since you were a little boy."